Kaya Mark, curious lang, kailangan ba iparehistro yung mortgage, yung chattel mortgage para maging valid?
Okay. Dalawang option yan, Jay. Ang chattel mortgage, kailangan ipa-registered yan to affect third person. Okay, kailangan ipa-register yan. That's why kung bumili ka ng kotse, nakalagay doon sa ORCR mo, mortgage or encumbered by bank, gano'n, di ba? Ibig sabihin doon, kailangan i-registered yan. To make it valid to third person. So kung ibenta mo yan, hindi mo mabenta yan kasi nakalagay doon chattel mortgage sa ORCR. So yun ang tinatawag na registration. Registration is a requirement in chattel mortgage for purposes na to enforce third party.
Saan ni-register?
I-registered yan, for example, i-registered yan sa may registry of deeds, may ganoon. So then tapos sa LTO para malagay doon yung pangalan sa ORCR. So yun yan. Pero kung hindi mo i-registered, okay lang din. It is still valid between two parties. It is still valid between two parties, meaning the debtor and the creditor. Valid pa rin yung mortgage na yan kahit hindi i-registered, but between the two parties. But to affect third person, para ma-epekto ng third person, kailangan mo ipa-registered yan para naka-annotate doon sa ORCR.
Thank you kay Mark. Pero